Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's finally here, our bathroom renovation.
Over the next month we are going to be getting rid of our old bathroom and putting a new one in.
We're so excited. We've been planning this for months. Actually, over the last year we've been planning this. So today it is the demo day. So we're hands-on tools, getting stuck in, removing jib, removing tiles, removing everything that's in our bathroom basically.
So we're going to be sharing our journey with you. So we're going to share some DIY tips and tricks, how-tos.
Bit of behind the scenes as we make mistakes or find things. We'll be sharing that as well. We want to be really transparent about this process because it's our first time doing a bathroom.
Right, let's get stuck in.
Can't wait. Let's do it. Team, I've got a little bit excited here and stripped the bath already. So it was a lot easier than I thought and all the tiles came off completely unchipped, which I'm pretty happy about because they may be able to be reused by someone. The tools I'm using for this is a pry bar. I picked this one up really cheap. It was like $14 from Bunnings. A hammer, make sure you get a heavy one as well. And also this brick bolster. This is really handy because it's got a lot of force behind it. So you're just tapping away the edge of the tile. Right now we're just about to crack into the jib on this left-hand wall. Now this also faces onto a bedroom, so I'm a little bit anxious to see what's behind it, but at the same time I'm really keen to see. There's also an old medicine cabinet in this wall, so it'll be good to get rid of that as well because it does stick out of the wall and it's really annoying.
So we've taken off most of the jib off this wall. So the spare room's quite echoey and that's the one that backs up to this room. And you can see why now. They've got this tongue and groove and there's no insulation. So we're going to put some pink bits in, make it a lot warmer out here as well and also in that room.
Okay, a bit of an update here team. So we've got all of the, well not all of, but we've got a lot of the walling off here and down there as well. I have decided that I'm going to be redoing the other side of this because it's really messy to begin with. You can see around here, it's like, it's got all these imperfections and stuff in the wall. So I'm going to be redoing that wall because it's just a mess. And then it'll make it so much easier to redo all of this at once. Yeah, so I'll do that. Yeah, a bit of extra work, but oh well. This wall is coming together slowly. Just need to rip off that TNG. It just takes so long to take that TNG off because it's so bloody hard. Yeah, so today I'm hoping to rip all of this off. Dun, 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 and some of this off as well. So I've ordered a skip and it was like $250 for 2 weeks from a website called binit.co.nz, and yeah, it just gets dropped off. We put all the hard fill in it and then it gets picked up, so I was pretty happy with that. Yeah, there was quite a large variance in the pricing of skips. But I just think it's going to be so much easier than doing heaps of dump runs, especially because we don't actually live that close to a dump. And that way, it's just in our drive, it gets picked up, job done, one less thing for us to worry about. Okay guys, so I've just had a quick breather because I'll be honest, I am not that motivated right now. I'm not sure why. It is driving me mental because when we renovated the rest of our house, I was so into it. Yeah, I reckon it's the TNG. Honestly, this TNG is a nightmare because it's really hard wood. I wouldn't be surprised if it's a Remu, and it's just so difficult to pull off. So it's driving me a bit insane, but these tools that I recommended earlier are honestly the best things that you can have to get them off. Really important to have a face mask on at this time as well, because you just never know with these paints and everything like that. Our house is 110 years old, so who knows what they've used in this room, because we sure as hell don't. Over here, I'll flick it around. Right, so over here you can see the medicine cabinet, and it is literally just sitting in the wall there, and yeah, it's just horrible. Horrible. So I can't wait to get that thing out of the wall. This is gonna look so nice. I'm so excited. I can already see, as I'm ripping everything off, I can see what the new bathroom is going to look like, and it's really exciting. So that's one thing that will help motivate me. Guys, look at the state of behind the mirror. Don't worry about that. I have got a plug in there so to stop all that stuff going down the drain, but what a mess. And behind here, I noticed that there's like a piece of like fencing timber. See right there? So bad. Look at all the different types. What a mess. I'm so glad that we're doing this, because that's just shocking. Team, we love sharing our journey with you, and we would love if you could hit that subscribe button, like this, leave us a comment if you've got any questions below, and follow us on Instagram. Our handle is @MoochStyle.